Hello guys, welcome back to Zek the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to share a live location on Snapchat. So first of all, you need to turn on your location. So you just have to go to your settings and search for location. So you can just turn it on just like this and your location has been turned on. So the next thing we are going to do is go to our Snapchat, yeah, like this, and you click on the inbox sound and you click on the person's DM you want to send your location to. So we're just going to use this one right here. So you can see a location icon above your keyboard just like this, and just click on it, and as you can see, this is my location and you can just send location. So this is how to send a location to your friend on Snapchat, your live location actually. So it's pretty simple on how to send live location on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.